In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove the green screen in Premiere Pro. So let's go straight to the video. So once you are inside Premiere Pro, the first thing that you need to do is to import the clip with the green screen that you want to remove. So in this case, I have this clip right here. I'm going to import it in the timeline. Now, what you need to do is to go on the effect, go to the effect control, then type Ultra key. As you can see, the effect is right here. And then you need to drag it to the clip. Now, as you can see, you will see this eyedropper icon. You need to click on it, and then you need to click on any green part of the screen. And as you can see, the green screen is automatically removed. Now you can also select another background and put it in the timeline. Just make sure that the background is beneath the subject. So here you are. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel.